Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday, September 15th. I hope you're having a great day so far. Checking in with you. Of course, it's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. How was the weekend for you? It was beautiful and sunny here in Chicago. I took a break from work and different things. Two events that went on this weekend. I went to the 20th annual Lakeview East Lakeview, however you want to say it, Festival of the Arts, and it was great. With little concern Saturday because we had a thunderstorm roll in, and it was pretty crazy till up about 9 a.m. But went and just everybody selling different kind of arts and showing off their art and different things, and there was some good food that was offered. A lot of people came out, got my steps in, my walk in, so I did that both Saturday and Sunday. And then Sunday I had a Bears Uncorked, just work with me here. It's a wine event, kind of a wine competition thing I do once a month with a group of really nice guys. And yesterday, that was from 3 until about 5:30, and our wine that we were tasting was Old Vine Zinfandel. I did not win. Kind of bummed about that because it would have been a good haul with some wine coming home. So I think the next one they said they're going to do is Chardonnay. I don't know how I feel about Chardonnay, but that's what it is. And then I have a Friends Uncorked in October. Sounds kind of boozy, doesn't it? So listen, I've been hemming and hawing about going to Las Vegas in December for literally like leave on a Sunday, come back on a Tuesday. Not my favorite city. Sorry, Las Vegas. It just isn't. It's not my jam. I did that with a former boyfriend before. We had a good time, but a lot of walking. Crazy kind of town. It's expensive. But what I want to do is take myself to go see The Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. That's the main goal that I want to do. I want to go there, see it, and leave. So I'm deciding, I'm going to decide on it this week. I'm just kind of looking at airfare. Hotel prices are pretty good. I was going to stay at the Venetian, but I'm going to stay next door at a different hotel, which is not as huge. I mean, you check into the Venetian, it probably takes you 25 minutes just to get to your room. So, and the rooms are great, but they're the same next door too. So, used to be a gambler back in the day with the slot machines, not so much anymore. Got to save our money. There's other things to spend on. So that's what I'm looking at. I don't have any plans for Christmas yet. So we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen. It's the holidays. The single fella. That's what happens to us single fella. We got to take care of ourselves and do things. So anyway, without further ado, what I want to do is I took some video and pictures of the Arts Festival this past weekend that I want to share with you. There's some band footage and things like that, so hopefully YouTube or TikTok, the algorithm is not going to be like boot me out because I have original music on there. So we'll see how I'm going to work that, but enjoy it. You get kind of the highlight of the neighborhood. One of the great things about being here in Lakeview East. So, and I've been here for quite a while. So listen, have a great week. I will talk to you on Thursday. I have some friends in town that are doing like a tour of the UK and Paris. They're coming through town on Wednesday, and I'm going to have either dinner, which I'm hoping, or breakfast with them. But again, they're friends out of Palm Springs that I'll see in November, but I'm glad they're going to be here in Chicago. So I want to see them, so maybe I'll do a little video of that. Who knows? So I'll see you Thursday. Subscribe, like, and share. And I will talk to you soon. Enjoy the video.
maybe the cloud